आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो, आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। आई ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है। कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं, सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं। आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो, आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं।
Hi, I'm Sapna and I'm at the Empire Cinema Leicester Square where we're having the worldwide premiere of Om Shanti Om with Eros International. All your favourite stars are here tonight, including Shah Rukh Khan, the gorgeous Deepika Padukone with Shreya Talpade and the lovely Arjun Rampal. Right now, all the stars are having a photo shoot, after which we will take you straight to the press conference where they'll be answering your much awaited questions.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed watching the film. It's a delightful afternoon for us because we've got the entire cast and crew, not the entire cast and crew because Farah is not here, but we've got all the leading stars from the film here with us, and we've also got Kishore Lulla, Chairman and CEO of Eros Group of Companies, with us here. So I'm not going to say any more. I'm going to hand over to Kishore to say a few words and then to Shah Rukh.
I think you must all be waiting to ask Shah Rukh, Deepika, Arjun and Shreyas a lot of questions. I will hand over to Shah Rukh.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon to everyone. Thanks a lot, that's very kind. First of all, I think it's in the rightness of things that I would like to thank Kishore, Eros International, Jyoti, the whole team that has been more than business partners or people who've encouraged us to make the kind of films we want to and take them all over the world. They have been friends for years. It's been years since we've been working together now. We were just discussing it, getting nostalgic. Of course, Kishore getting older, me just getting younger. 14 years ago when I was 22, and Kishore was still 60, I think, yeah. At that point of time, I remember we did our first film, Bazigar, in London, and times have changed, things have changed, but the only thing that hasn't changed for Kishore and me is the love for cinema and wanting it to take it all over the world. So I thank Eros International for being such wonderful friends.
Good afternoon to all of you. I think I would like to take this opportunity to thank Farah and Shah Rukh and the entire Eros team and the entire team of Om Shanti Om for giving me such a big launch. And I think the reason why you see me all over the place is because of them. And I don't think I could have asked for a better launch. And I'm enjoying this moment, and thank you for everything.
Your decision, your and Farah Khan's decision to take two completely new talents, why did you choose these two lovely people rather than the tried and tested actors of Bollywood?
I think it was, one was, we wanted an actress, you know, when she comes on screen, she should not have already been established. You know, that, oh, we know this is Rani, oh, this is Kajol. I mean, with due respect to all of them, I love them. I mean, I'm not deriding them in any which way. We wanted someone for the audience and ourselves to feel, oh wow, who's this superstar? And the elegance and the grace that Deepika has, I think lends itself very well to play a role like that. And in the second half also, because she's a different person, you know, if it's an established actor, it would be a bit of a, oh, she's the same person. You know, here at least because she's new, you sort of get used to her and then say, oh, she's come back. And she's a wonderful dancer, which was a prerequisite for Farah. She's fantastic looking. I think she's very elegant and graceful. Everything goes for Deepika. I mean, not to take Deepika in a film would be foolish. Shreyas is, again, an immensely talented actor. We wanted, and I'm not, he's also very sexy, but I just want to say that, you know, we wanted the reality. I've seen him in Iqbal. I've seen him in other films. He's such a talent. He's one of the finest actors to hit Indian cinema. I truly believe that. I truly believe that. I'm not just saying it. He's sitting here. And we wanted someone to make the 70s look real. And then there's a huge jump that he becomes an older person. So we wanted an actor who could fit the bill, who you look young, and still you have to have a great actor who can act old without overdoing it. Otherwise, he'd not like it. This 22-year-old boy. So I'm just joking.
Hi.
So, you know, it was very important that these two people come in without any baggage attached to them.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.